This is a disaster. We have 572 applications, web portals, mobile apps, dashboards, internal systems, customer workflows, and marketing wants the new branding everywhere in 2 months. Do you know what this means?
The advertising agency partner just bought a new yacht?
No, Lexi. This means updating logos, navigation bars, workflow components, forms, dashboards, API-linked screens, with new color schemes, etc., across every application manually.
So, basically emotional damage in UI form.
And they changed everything. New logo, new fonts, new strategic gradient. Apparently, we're no longer bold blue, we're now transformational twilight.
That sounds expensive.
Yeah, sounds like someone charged $1 million to rename purple.
Do you know how much companies spend on rebranding every time a new CEO arrives? First comes the vision statement, then the town hall. Then suddenly, every button in the company costs $6 million.
Classic enterprise migration pattern. By Q3, there'll be a 78-page PDF explaining the emotional meaning of color gradients.
One missed screen, and suddenly half the company is using old blue, while the other half is using transformational twilight. That's not rebranding.
Or we could just update the template fragment.
The what now?
Template fragments. Shared UI and logic components inside redSling. Headers, logos, branding sections. Update once. Changes propagate everywhere.
That sounds financially irresponsible for consulting firms.
Watch.
Oh no.
That's usually the sound of manual effort disappearing.
So we don't update or rebuild every screen individually?
Nope.
Because repetitive rebuilding is not actually a strategy.
Okay, but what about repeating dashboard layouts and dynamic sections?
Dynamic carousels in redSling can handle that.
I knew you'd say something futuristic.
Design once inside the original dynamic container. Every cloned component automatically inherits the same structure. Update the original once, every clone updates instantly.
Across all screens in each application?
Across everything using that structure.
Synchronized consistency by architecture, not by chasing developers with spreadsheets.
So, theoretically, if the next CEO changes the branding again,
They will.
We will have new mood boards.
and we can update branding, layouts, reusable UI, and associated logic centrally without manually touching every screen?
Exactly.
This is what happens when platforms are designed for scalable enterprise change instead of maintenance theater.
This feels disturbingly efficient.
Welcome to synchronized composable enterprise architecture.
Design once, synchronize everywhere. Dynamic carousels and template fragment. Repeaters in redSling. redSling, software on your terms. Because scalable UI/UX should not require emotional support.